will be telling you how to make mint margarita for summer. Let's get started with the ingredients are 1 bottle of Sprite, pinch of black salt, a 1 whole lemon, and some fresh mint leaves, lemon slices, and ice cubes. So let's add the Sprite. Now we will add some lemon juice, the leaves, and a pinch of black salt. And then some ice. Wash your hands before you make anything. So I washed my hands before the video, and let's grind this up. It's all done. We put in the drink. First, put some lemon slices in your glass. I'm adding 2 lemon slices, and now I will pour the drink inside. This looks so yummy. Let's try it. This is so good. Drink is so refreshing in this hot weather, and I really love this drink. Please try this recipe because it's getting super hot. This video outdoors, so there's so many noises coming. Sorry for the noises, guys. Guys, this was it for today, and I hope you will try this recipe because this is amazing. And make sure you share this video with your friends, family, and cousins. Bye, guys.